Hey everyone, this is the video for the new Update 1.3 of Mobile Inventory Kit. In this update, various systems were optimized to improve inventory performance. Also, easy weapon swapping from the world was added, without the need to open the inventory, which will improve the gameplay of your video games. In addition, we've fully integrated all the functionalities of the Control Kit Deluxe system were added, including the pause menu, main menu, and all the UI customization systems from Control Kit Deluxe. This will allow players to have a unique and customized user interface on their mobile devices. They will be able to change the appearance and layout of on-screen elements, such as buttons, panels, status bars, etc., according to their personal preferences. That's all for this update. If you found this useful, please make sure to subscribe and support the channel. It really helps me keep creating new systems and Unreal Engine 5 tutorials for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.